Have a pleasant day, Sir Tomas. We are grateful to present to you our system. So, welcome to our created system that is called Chisel Jewelry Ordering System. So, as you can see po, sir, we are currently using the VS Studio rather than the NetBeans. Because we're so sorry to tell you that our NetBeans keep cracking and hindi po namin siya makonect. Can't connect to the database. So, we've tried na lang po to use the VS Code. So, the first system we created po talaga is the online shop management system, which is have the admin, the suppliers, and also the users. So, they can manage uh, the import and export of the product, of the jewelry product. But the NetBeans keep cracking nga po and we can connect to the database. We've tried to use the VS Code, the VS Studio rather, para magawa po namin yung system. Since we are out of time na rin po na gawin yung same na management, na system dito sa VS Code, we've decided to change our system na lang po from management system to ordering system na lang po. And we have no choice to use the VS Studio po talaga para ma-create yung system na ipapasa po namin sa inyo. So you can see dito, sir, we have two Java classes, which is the jewel ordering and the view orders. Dito po sa jewel ordering, dito natin i-input yung name, address, and yung jewelry type na i-order po natin, and yung quality, and yung quantity, kung ilan po yung bibili natin, and yung payment method, and the total amount. Then here, in the view orders naman po, dito po natin makikita yung history or yung record po nung natin, ng mga ordered jewelries. Dito natin makikita yan simula kung sino yung unang nag-order hanggang doon sa huling nag-order. And now I will give the mic. I will call one of my member to present to you po and show you how our system works.
So, good day po, sir. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the future of jewelry shopping, the JSL Jewelry Ordering System. This innovative system is designed to streamline your jewelry buying experience, making it easier and more convenient than ever. So, let's take a quick tour of the system. So, as you can see, the interface is simple and intuitive. Even those who aren't savvy can easily navigate through it. Place an order. Simply fill in the required information, your name, your address, the type of jewelry you want, quantity, your preferred payment method. So once you click order, your order is processed immediately. You'll receive an instant confirmation message with the total amount. So in the future, we plan to implement a feature that allows you to track your order's progress. So what are the benefits of using this system? So first, it saves time and effort. No more waiting in long queues. Then you can order anytime and anywhere. And it minimizes errors in order processing. And lastly, you can easily track your orders. So we're constantly working to improve the system. In the future, plan to add these features like to offer more flexibility in payment methods, to ensure real-time product availability, to suggest jewelry based on your past purchases and preferences. So we believe that the JSL Jewelry Ordering System is a game changer in the jewelry industry. It's not just a tool; it's a solution to the challenges of traditional jewelry shopping. So that's all po. Thank you po, sir.